Let's do the practice for small letters. First we're starting with the A. You can write down it like this. Then you can go for B. Then you can write C. You can write D here, just a straight line. Here comes E. Then write down the F. Here comes G. And H here. You can put I. J here. K. L. You can put M here. Then just put N. Here comes O. You can put P here. Then comes Q. Here comes R. S. T. Just put U here. V. W. X. Lastly Y, and Z is the finishing, or you can say it Z. So all the letters, alphabets you can see here. Okay, so starting from letter A, finishing up here letter Z or Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alright, I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.